So right here, this is one of the reasons that I buy Ridgid tools. I had purchased a tire inflator tool. It was like $50 inflator tool many years back. It would have probably been well outside of any normal warranty, but there's a lifetime warranty or a lifetime service agreement on the Ridgid products if you register them. So anyways, I had a problem with it. I submitted a claim on the website, sent them the inflator. They give you the label and everything. You just got to box it up and ship it. They sent me back a message saying that it was unrepairable, which probably just meant that not worth repairing it. And they sent me another one. So within a week of sending that, I got another one in return, brand new. So I'm going to go ahead and open this thing and see just what they sent me. So check this out. So not only did they send me a new inflator, this is the piece that I sent them, just this. I didn't even send them the little accessory pieces here. I just sent them the inflator because it wasn't showing up back here on the back and it wasn't pumping properly. It was still pumping air, but I don't think it was pumping the way it used to. And they sent me the whole kit. Here's the inflator and the cable that it comes with. If you bought tool only, you would get just this. So they didn't just send me back a tool only. They sent me back the whole kit, battery, charger, everything. Don't expect this to be normal. I don't think that this is what they always do. This may have been, they didn't have this one in stock to send me maybe, and they sent me just the whole kit. But they didn't come back and say, oh, well, right now it's back ordered. We can't send it to you, whatever. They sent me what they had or the next best thing. This is awesome. I mean, this is exactly what I would expect out of a lifetime warranty from a good company. And they came through. So I'm very happy. Definitely another thumbs up for Ridgid. And I hope I don't have any more problems with tools. But if I do, I know they stand behind me. So anyways, I just want to let you know, real world, had to use the warranty and it worked out fine. I hope this information was helpful. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.